तो आज की ताज़ा खबर ये है कि one of my closest friends, Gen Z daughter, has promised to take me to some amazing places to explore her favorite spots. कहाँ लेके जा रही है मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, बट खाना है, रोड ट्रिप है, we can't go wrong, right? Follow me.
Hi,
Hello, my Kavya.
how are you?
Mwah. Okay,
Are you ready?
I am always ready for food.
So it's officially mango season. So we have to try all the spots that are the best of the mango season dishes.
Yum! That's a great idea. I'm really excited.
Chef, could I share with you what are some things that Gen Z thinks at random days?
Tell me.
If mango was not a national dish, what would it be?
You mean national fruit?
Yeah, national fruit.
Ah,
Maybe it's a dish here.
That's true actually. बहुतों के लिए dish है.
Lychee?
लीची छोटी है ना बहुत, है ना? क्या हो सकता है? Let's think.
It needs to be messy like a mango. It needs to be seasonal. Watermelon?
Watermelon is actually a
Strong
beautiful
contender.
fruit. Very strong contender. Pineapple? Pineapple, na?
Chef, we've done it. We've got a fruit. We found an alternative for the country.
I know, but I don't think the country will be very happy with this alternative. Just look, and I think I have figured कि तुम मुझे लेके कहाँ जा रही हो? अरे right here. देखो ये लोग मेरे को लेके आए हैं.
इतना लेट.
The best place though.
ओके चलो.
Oh God, Chef, I had to surprise you with the location. You have surprised me. Do you know this place?
Do you know this? मतलब hello, are you from Bombay? मतलब जो ठाकर भोजनालय में नहीं आया वो बॉम्बे में रहने लायक ही नहीं है, मुंबई में रहने लायक नहीं है. ओके, यहाँ मैं 1000 बार आ चुकी हूँ. मेरे बेटे का ये फेवरेट स्पॉट है. And जब भी मैं आती हूँ, गौतम जी really looks after us very well.
Where are you? Oh my God, do you remember this day though?
Of course, it's not too long ago. आम की चीजें, स्पेशली ये काव्या ने उनको फोन करके तैयारी करवाई हुई है. तो आज का जो थाली है वो बहुत डिफरेंट होगा. इट विल बी आमलिशियस. हेलो कृष्णा. एंड यूजुअली ये थाली भरी हुई रहती है. मतलब you're running out of choices, but today is a mango-licious थाली. Okay, क्या क्या है यहाँ गौतम? Tell me.
So Amras, of course.
Of course.
The star of the show. This is mango curry, जिसको फजेता बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
और ये मीठी कैरी, मेथी और किशमिश की सब्जी है.
Lovely.
और ये फ्रेश अचार जो कच्ची कैरी से बनाया हुआ.
इस बार मैंने भी फ्रेश अचार बनाया. मैं हर साल बनाती हूँ. The best.
The best. I do.
Mango curry is good.
Too good. The mango curry
So
is too
good. You should try it sometime.
So tell us something about this. Say, कब आपने शुरू किया?
Okay. My father started this in 1955. And before that he was in Zaveri Bazaar. उसकी तभी वो लॉज बोलते थे उसको. वो सरियत लॉज करके थी. फिर वो बिल्डिंग गिर गई. Then he came here in 1945. तो ये जो जगह ली उनसे वो कोई ठाकर थे, पढ़े लिखे तो थे नहीं, तो उन्होंने नाम क्या रखा था कि श्री ठाकर क्लब. क्लब इसलिए कि पहले क्या मंथली कूपन्स लिया करते थे लोग to have it every day. Basically, traders from Rajasthan and Gujarat used to come in Mumbai and stay for a long time for business. And they were deprived of home cooked meals.
And घर का खाना.
Oh
देख रहे हो?
God.
एक basically सब लोग ना eventually.
25 पैसे में थाली बेचते थे लोग.
Wow. कृष्णा तो बहुत हेवी ड्यूटी सोशल मीडिया में मैं देखती हूँ. इसके बड़े आते रहते हैं पोस्ट. आप लोग इन्हें फॉलो कीजिए. श्री ठाकर.
ठाकर भोजन. Yes.
Beautiful looking shop, huh?
It is pretty.
They see all these packets have come to me. I remember. Oh, I love the chocolate bar. Can I steal?
No one's
one's
watching.
looking.
No one's watching.
Yum. Yum. Sorry. I usually don't do this. Yum.
Proper savory to this day. Oh my God. I mean, look at
Not only is it unique, It's actually delicious. And मेरे को ना ऐसे ये अजीबोगरीब fusion food नहीं अच्छे लगते हैं.
They're
But-
scary to try.
Yeah, they're scary to try, but this works. This works, guys.
one works.
Mango passion fruit
Yeah.
pani.
सॉस पूरी निकी एवोकाडो कम्स विद मैंगो पैशन फ्रूट पानी
ये तो बहुत महंगा होगा फिर. एवोकाडो भी डाल दिया, पैशन फ्रूट भी डाल दिया, मैंगो भी डाल दिया. क्या इसके कॉस्ट क्या है? You're not allowed to say. देखो भाई, पानी पूरी हम लोग रास्ते में खाते हैं.
हाँ.
2 रुपए का मिलता है. ये वाला बहुत महंगा वाला है. लेकिन अगर कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव खाना है तो इधर आओ. थोड़े ज्यादा पैसे खर्च करो.
No budget friendly promises.
No budget friendly promises, but this is going to be an exotic promise. Cheers, Kavya.
Cheers, chef.
Yummy. Wow. ये ऐसे burst of flavor सिर्फ street food पे आता है. पर avocado and passion
Oh
fruit
my
और mango
God.
के साथ भी आ गए.
Doesn't it randomly spice में कम budget है?
Spicy नहीं है, खट्टा. It has a nice amount of खट्टापन and spice.
Oh my god. And
मजा
the
आ गया.
avocado is like a proper base.
Yes, yes.
I had planned the surprise, but यहाँ पे तो story हमारे लिए surprise कर रहा है. Chef, this is the power of you, like honestly.
This is a malai toast, mango malai toast, and मेरे को ना ये माँ की याद दिला रहा है because
हाँ.
मलाई टोस्ट सिर्फ मम्मी बना के खिलाती थी. याद है?
Oh my
तुमने
God.
कभी मलाई टोस्ट खाई है?
नहीं.
अच्छा, ये वेरी पंजाबी थिंग होता है. घर की
Really?
फ्रेश मलाई ब्रेड के ऊपर लगाओ, थोड़ा सा चीनी लगाओ एंड खा लो. चलो इसको खाते हैं. मैंगो वर्जन ऑफ मलाई टोस्ट. चलो.
And
ठंडा है. Oh, it's yum. Oh my God. अगर एक डिश है जिसके लिए आपको यहाँ बॉम्बे स्वीट हाउस आना चाहिए, इट्स दिस मलाई मैंगो टोस्ट बिकॉज it is so delicious. It brings out all kind of emotions, nostalgia, yumminess, comfort. It's just everything packed in this one plate. Come back for this. Come back, no, come for this if you haven't been here. And I'm going to come back for this with my whole family. Hey, look at that chit chat. अच्छा आया, surprise आया, देखे?
Oh my
We were
God.
just guessing क्या है?
It's the mango matcha tres leches.
Oh, the
my
tres
God.
leches. Yeah, I know. What a combination. Matcha, mulberry jam, mangoes. Such a big mouthful.
is it good?
It's too good. It's just outstanding. Oh my God. Oh my God. Very unusual. I'm loving the mulberry combination with matcha and mangoes. Actually, that's the thing about mangoes. Mango is actually a bloody versatile fruit. No wonder it's a national fruit because आप उसे सेवरी डाल दो, आप उसे मीठा में डाल दो, आप किसी भी fruit के साथ उसको combine करो somehow it makes it magical. Yeah, as if it was not good enough on its own. But you add it to anything and it just complements that other ingredient.
And who knew Alfonso and matcha would be a thing?
Yeah, exactly, right? And mulberries.
Oh my god. Chef, ready? Shall
what?
we head to our next destination?
I'm done.
We have to.
I'm done. मेरा हो गया. I'm a Marine Drive का evening person. Sun is going down. You see the skyline, and you see like some people kuchi cooing. ये जगह में आप अपने आप में गुम हो सकते हो. You don't have to worry about what people are doing. You can be amongst lots and lots of people and yet be lost in your own world.
Chef, if you had to try one outrageous mango dish, which is one that you would never try and one that's so weird you definitely will?
You know, अभी हमने जो चीजें खाई,
हाँ.
उसके बाद तो आप come to the conclusion कि मैंगो के साथ आप कुछ outrageous या atrocious बना ही नहीं सकते हो. Because like I said, mango kind of blends in quite beautifully. Yeah. In fact, you know, you were saying कि मुझे कुछ ये डिशेस से इंस्पायर होके मैं कुछ बनाऊंगी. I think I'm gonna do a whole mango chaat.
A mango chaat.
Yeah, I'll do some lovely mango, pani puri. I'll do some sev puri, some this, like some nice mixed chaat. Like imagine burrata, avocado, and pani puri and sev puri, dude. It works so beautifully. So मैं कुछ, I'm inspired to do some chaat, some more chaat with mango.
We have to speak about bachelors.
देखो भैया, बैचलर्स मैं तो आती हूँ क्रीम और मैंगो खाने के लिए.
Oh my god. Milkshake, cream, and sandwich.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank
भैया.
you, boss. Perfect.
आइकॉनिक फ्रूट एंड क्रीम को खाने के लिए यूजुअली हम सीताफल भी खाते हैं,
हाँ.
स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम एंड आज मैंगो क्रीम. इसको खाने के लिए हम, जब मैं अंधेरी में रहती थी तो वहां से भी आते थे खाने के लिए. एंड इमेजिन यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होने के बाद जब भी whenever we go partying or we come out for a drive, this would be the thing.
So for good food, it doesn't matter how long you have to drive.
Yes.
As
And where
long
you have to
as
go.
you get there.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You're only having the cream. Where's the mango?
Oh my god, full stuffed.
Totally stuffed, Kavya, but what a mango-licious mango day. मजा आ गया.
Yes.
Thank you for this joyride. अब इतना जो तुमने खिला दिया है, चल बहन तेरे को वॉक कराती हूँ मरीन ड्राइव की.
God,
लेट्स
mango
burn these
mania walk.
calories.